Hello dear students, now let's see a image formation by a concave lens. Okay, so our first case is when object is situated at infinity. Now as we know that if the object is at infinity then the rays are coming parallel to each other. Object अगर infinity पर है तो उससे जो rays आ रही है वो rays क्या होती हैं, एक दूसरे के parallel होती है. Now you can see here these incident rays at lens are parallel to principal axis. ठीक है, आपको दिख रहा है ये इंसिडेंट रेज है एंड दीज इंसिडेंट रेज आर पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. ऑल्सो वी नो दैट अ कॉनकेव लेंस इज अ डाइवर्जिंग लेंस. कॉनकेव लेंस क्या होता है, डाइवर्जिंग लेंस होता है. इसलिए रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद ये जो रेज हैं ये क्या हो जाएंगी, डाइवर्ज हो जाएंगी. कुछ इस तरीके से देखें आप. ओके, दिस इज इंसिडेंट रे, सो आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन दे डाइवर्ज. द रेज आर diverge. Okay, now if you extend them in a backward direction, they will cut each other at this point. Okay, or they seems to meet at this point F. Okay, so the image will form at this principal focus. Now because these rays are not actually cutting each other, they seems to cut each other, so that image form is a virtual one. Okay, this image is not real but this image is virtual one. Why? Because these rays are not actually cutting each other but they seems to cut each other at this point. Okay, so let's see these points. Position of object at infinity. Okay, object is at infinity. Position of image at F, so you can see the image is forming at this point F, principal focus. Now size of image is extremely diminished, point like image will form. Okay, इस केस में जो image form होगी कैसे होगी, point like image will form. Now nature of image is virtual and erect. Okay, now why it is virtual? Because these rays are not actually cutting each other, they seems to cut each other at this point F, so that this image is virtual. Okay, and this image is erect also. Okay, let's see another case. So second case is when object is situated between infinity and optical center. Okay, so this is our object AB. Now this object is situated between infinity and optical center O. Infinity और optical center के बीच में हमने कोई object लिया है. This object is here AB. Now we only require two rays from this object to form a image. So let's see. So again this is a ray, this ray will go through a optical center undeviated, because we have a rule that if a ray will incident on the optical center it will go past undeviated. ठीक है, एक और ray ली हमने. This ray is parallel to this principal axis. Okay, this ray is parallel to principal axis. So let's see what happened. Now because it is a diverging mirror, so this reflected ray will diverge. Okay, but if we extend it in a backward direction it will pass through, it seems to pass through this focus F, principal focus F. Okay, ये जो ray है, this ray is coming parallel to principal axis. Now because concave mirror concave lens is a diverging lens, so that this reflected ray will diverge. Reflected ray क्या होगी, diverge हो जाएगी. But you extend it in a backward direction, then it seems to pass through this principal focus F. Okay, so let's do this. So you can see that this ray, when we extend them in a backward direction, it will cut it at this point. So where these two rays seems to meet each other at this point, image will form. So this is our image. This image will form A dash B dash. Okay, when this image will form when we extend this ray in a backward direction. Okay, so this ray seems to cut this ray at this point, है ना. इस रे को जो हमने backward direction में extend करा तो ये क्या दिख रहा है, it seems to cut at this point A dash. तो यहाँ पर हमारी इमेज फॉर्म होगी. जो इमेज है उसको किससे डिनोट किया हुआ है, A dash B dash से. ठीक है, तब आप देखें कि जो इमेज बनेगी कैसी बनेगी, वर्चुअल. Because these two rays are not actually meeting each other but they seems to meet each other at this point. तो इमेज जो बनेगी वो कैसी बनेगी, वर्चुअल. और कैसी बनेगी, इरेक्ट. आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे जो इमेज हमारी फॉर्म हो रही है वो कैसी फॉर्म हो रही है, इरेक्ट. ओके, सो लेट्स सी दीज पॉइंट्स. So these are the points like AB is size of object, A dash B dash is size of image. Position of object कहाँ थी अपनी, between infinity and optical center. ठीक है, image जो है हमारी, position of image क्या है, between F and O. Okay, this is F and O. Image will form between F and O. Okay, size of image कैसे हमारा diminished दिख रहा है आपको, ये size of object, तो object के size से image का size छोटा है. ठीक है, इस वजह से ये जो हम बोलेंगे इसको बोलेंगे डिमिनिश्ड है. और नेचर कैसा है, नेचर ऑफ इमेज कैसा है, वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. ओके, सो दीज आर द टू केसेस फॉर द कॉनकेव लेंस. नाउ लेट्स सी द यूजेस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस एंड concave lens. So these are the uses in magnifying glass. Okay, we use a convex lens in magnifying glass. We use it in camera, astronomical telescope, terrestrial telescope, projector. Okay, cinema projector, we use convex lens. In spectacles for correcting hypermetropia defect. Okay, so these are the uses for the convex lens, and these are the uses of concave lens in lasers, in camera, in flashlights. Okay, in p holes, in spectacles for correcting myopia defects. So these are the uses, some uses of convex lens and the concave lens. Okay, so I hope you understand all the topics explained in this lecture, and if you have any doubt or any type of query in any one of concept I explained in this lecture, you can message to me, you can WhatsApp to me. Okay, thank you for watching this.